So our time in Seattle has come to an end, but what day of the week?
Thursday.
It's Thursday, and we are catching the Amtrak train today, actually this afternoon, and we're gonna Amtrak it over to Vancouver tonight. But we are very sad to leave Seattle. We had a great visit here, wonderful city. Of course, as you've seen, we had like the spot to be, right?
Yep.
I mean, we were in, Amy picked the spot for us, and it worked out fantastic. Sad to leave, but we're gonna Uber. Yeah, look at us getting all metropolitan.
So first, we're gonna skedaddle out of Seattle, and we're gonna maneuver to Vancouver.
We made it to the Amtrak station. Feel like we just stepped out of a blender. We had 3 different Ubers going in. Oh,
I'm here.
we had 3 different Ubers going in 3 different directions, and it was my first time ever using Uber. I didn't know how to use the app. Just got very tense. We showed up here at the station. Our baggage was overweight, and we had to shuffle baggage to get it checked in right. My brother and them all went out to eat. We're gonna sit here and just catch our breaths for a minute and probably eat in a couple of hours, have a later lunch today. The ladies had something to say.
No, we didn't. No, we don't.
Okay. It's a beautiful station.
It was a private conversation. You weren't included.
Nothing's private to Rolling Ragu. They know everything.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Looks like people are walking up the steps and stuff.
I'm glad they're doing it on the step.
He grabs the motorcycle and like completely crushes the fish.
Oh my goodness.
Well, we couldn't sit around the train station for 6 hours. So we're going out to eat. We're gonna get dumplings or something here in Chinatown.
And then we're gonna go back and sit at the train station.
For another hour or 2. About 3:30 right now. Train doesn't leave till 6:30, 7.
7, I think.
Yeah. So try to fill our bellies up because my sister, let's go. My sister works for Amtrak and said that like the hamburgers and stuff in their food car were just microwaved hamburgers. So we're trying to avoid that. So we're in Chinatown and we're going to some kind of a dumpling or pot sticker sort of a little restaurant. Well, the dumplings were okay. I think we all decided though that you need more than just dumplings for dinner. I wanted something crunchy or something fried or something to go with it. It was dinner and I think we're all full. Hopefully we'll make it till bedtime tonight without getting hungry again. And we're walking past CenturyLink Field, home of the Seattle Seahawks.
The green onion thing, I gotta get over there.
Go ahead. Watch your step. You're still on the edge.
No.
All right. The timer hadn't started yet. Oops, 16, 15. Come on, Gigi, you can do it.
I'm trying.
And you got it.
Good.
People are getting off here. Not the line.
I don't know.
Don't joke about that. You might jinx us.
Thank you, Sandy.
Wait, how long is it gonna be?
4 hours.
Okay. How does it go back?
Where are we?
On the train in Seattle.
Heading where, Owen?
Vancouver. Or maneuvering to Vancouver.
What do you think so far, Jaden?
Pretty cool. It's gonna be a good first experience. What's up, y'all? Nice to see y'all again. This train's gonna be lit, bro.
And that's it. We're rolling, folks. We're rolling.
Some
more times, what? You might get it after these buildings.
Yeah.
Oh, that's his prom. I think that might be a ferry.
Oh,
Both of them.
I heard it. That was
You're wanting me to smile right now?
We just rolled into Vancouver. What time is it? Boys, y'all have any idea of the time?
No.
I think 12:15 a.m. 12:15 a.m. This is our room. We're at the Riviera on Robson, and it was quite an experience to get here. You had to do all the custom things on the train. Took a little extra time. I guess they don't Uber here in Canada. I don't know. We'll have to figure that out. But it was just taxis. That was our only option. It was surprisingly affordable. The guy got us basically all the way across downtown for about $10 Canadian. We showed up here. The place is a little old. I mean, if you look too close, you see some things. But it's nice. We have, look, here's the, we have a little kitchenette here. We have, the boys each have their own bed in the living room. The bath is okay. And then we have a separate bedroom for the master. And what has not been common here in the Pacific Northwest is we have an air conditioner, which would be nice. We didn't have that even at the fancy place in Seattle. But here's what I'm talking about by, you know, I don't know if you can see this, but the walls cracked and been painted over and some water damage, and if you look at the molding close enough, it's all banged up. But the sheets look nice. I don't know if looking nice means you won't get bed bugs. I don't know. I don't want to look too close. Most of you guys watching are watching because it's an RV travel channel, and
This is different.
yeah, it's different. You know, change how we think a little bit. Do we sound like RV snobs? I think we sound like RV snobs. And the views are really nice. We're on the 10th floor, and look at this. This is out of one side, looking straight down through Vancouver. We have a corner room, so as you turn the corner and you come over here, we see other views down to the street. We were happy to see that there will be a little continental breakfast downstairs, so we don't have to go out for breakfast. I'm sure it's just going to be like a bagel and jelly, but that'll be enough to get us to the cruise ship by 11 tomorrow, where we all know what we get on cruises, right? How was your experience riding a train like that? Ethan, your experience riding a train? Yeah. So thanks for joining us. Good night. We're going to bed. We'll see you tomorrow. Next episode, you will see a boat.